So today I'll be showing you how you can see your Shazam history. So this is basically everything you've been Shazamming over the last couple of days. It's all stored in the Shazam app. So find the Shazam application on your iPhone or even on your Android phone. So here we go. Here's Shazam. Once you launch Shazam, all you have to do is hold this and swipe up. And you're going to see everything you've Shazammed. You can see it arranged in order from the most recent to the oldest Shazams you've made. Okay, you can actually see the number here, the Shazams you've done, and you can see a list on specific days when you Shazammed specific songs. Okay, and that's basically how you can see your Shazam history on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.